Welcome to this video on how to use SEO for marketing. In this segment, we will cover the basics of SEO and how it can help you improve your marketing efforts. First, let's define what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages SERPs. The higher your website ranks, the more visible it is to potential customers, which can lead to increased traffic, leads, and sales. So, how can you use SEO for marketing? Here are some tips. 1. Keyword research. One of the most important aspects of SEO is keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for and incorporating them into your website content. By doing so, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search for those keywords and attract more relevant traffic to your website. 2. On-page optimization. On-page optimization refers to the various elements on your website that can be optimized for SEO, such as title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and content. By optimizing these elements, you can improve your website's relevance and authority in the eyes of search engines, which can lead to higher rankings and more traffic. 3. Content creation. Creating high-quality, relevant content is another important aspect of SEO. By creating content that is optimized for your target keywords and provides value to your audience, you can attract more traffic to your website and improve your overall SEO. 4. Link building. Link building involves acquiring backlinks from other websites to your own. Backlinks are important because they signal to search engines that your website is authoritative and relevant. By acquiring high-quality backlinks, you can improve your website's authority and increase your chances of ranking higher in SERPs. 5. Analytics and tracking. Finally, it's important to track your SEO efforts and analyze your results. By using tools like Google Analytics, you can track your website's traffic, rankings, and other important metrics and make adjustments to your SEO strategy as needed. In summary, SEO can be a powerful tool for marketing your business. By optimizing your website and its content for search engines, you can attract more relevant traffic, improve your rankings, and ultimately drive more leads and sales. Stay tuned for the second segment of this video, where we will dive deeper into advanced SEO strategies. Welcome back to the second segment of this video on how to use SEO for marketing. In this segment, we will cover some advanced SEO strategies that can help you take your marketing efforts to the next level. 1. Local SEO. If you have a local business, optimizing your website for local search is crucial. This involves optimizing your website and its content for location-based keywords, as well as creating and optimizing your Google My Business listing. By doing so, you can improve your visibility in local search results and attract more local customers. 2. Mobile optimization. With more and more people using mobile devices to search the web, mobile optimization has become increasingly important for SEO. This involves optimizing your website and its content for mobile devices, such as by using responsive design, optimizing page speed, and using mobile-friendly content. 3. Technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the various technical aspects of your website that can impact its SEO, such as site speed, crawlability, and schema markup. By optimizing these technical elements, you can improve your website's overall SEO and user experience. 4. Content promotion. Creating great content is important, but it's also important to promote that content to attract more traffic and backlinks. This can involve tactics such as social media promotion, email outreach, and influencer marketing. 5. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, optimizing your website for voice search has become increasingly important. This involves optimizing your website and its content for conversational, long-tail keywords, as well as providing clear and concise answers to common questions. In summary, these advanced SEO strategies can help you take your marketing efforts to the next level. By optimizing your website and its content for local search, mobile devices, technical SEO, content promotion, and voice search, you can improve your website's overall SEO and attract more relevant traffic to your site. Thank you for watching this video on how to use SEO for marketing. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.